On the fourth day before Christmas, Paulies Kitchen recipe. Cabbage cooked in butter, creamy mashed potato, orange glazed carrots, caraway and parsnips, bacon cooked in Brussels, pork stuffed in balls, piggies in blankets, cranberry sauce, honey glazed ham. To another episode of Paulies Kitchen, the festive edition. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious honey and clove baked ham with orange. It's going to be absolutely incredible and will set your Christmas dinner day off amazingly. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But guys, we're going to dive straight in and everything you will need for this recipe is right here. Don't worry if you do miss these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out there for these and you'll find them all down there. So yeah guys, we're going to dive straight into the recipe and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it right now. So the first thing we need to do is we need to sharpen our knife, make sure it's really sharp. Put that down there. So let's take our ham, we're going to score crisscross pattern into the fat on the top. And then we're going to go back the other way at a 45-degree angle. It's important you do this with a sharp knife. Bit of an element of presentation here, which is amazing for a massive Christmas Day dinner. So once you've scored the top of your ham like this, take your oil. I'm just going to pour this into our frying pan. So let's pop this back down there. Let's light our stove. So now that our oil is nice and hot and you can hear it sizzle. Okay, you can't, but oh, there we go. The little sizzle there. Yeah, you can hear it sizzle. We're going to take our ham and we're going to place this face down in the saucepan. And we're going to flip it over. We're going to brown off our ham in our frying pan. It's not a saucepan, it's actually a frying pan. And then we're going to pull it off. I'm going to get my pan rack crisscrossy thing. I'm going to pop that there. And we're going to take our frying pan across. So what we need to do now is we need to take a big glass bowl. I'm going to pop that there. And we're going to take our ham and place that in to our glass bowl. So we need to get our cloves. And we're just going to stud a clove in each part of the crisscross. And we're going to take our stock and pour our stock in. So now that we've put our stock in, we're going to take our kitchen foil. Makes a terrible noise on camera. We're going to place that there. We're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on our kitchen foil, and this will basically stop it from sticking to the ham. Let's pop that down there. What we're going to do, place the foil on top of our ham. We're going to take our baking tray. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. We're going to take our baking tray. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, 180 degrees for about 2 hours. We're then going to pull it out and then we're going to make our lovely honey and orange glaze and pour that over the top. See you in a couple of hours. Let's pour this out. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop that to there. What we need to do is we need to get our microplane and our orange, and we're just going to zest all of the skin of the orange. Now I need to take a bowl. What we're going to do is going to put our orange zest into the bowl. Let's get that last little bit as well. Come on, let's put that in there. So we're going to take our sharp knife and cut down straight down the middle of the orange like that. And we're going to squeeze all the juice in there as well. I've lost my juicer. I don't know where it is. But if you have a juicer, use a juicer, because it's just long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our saucepan. We're going to take our mixture, pour that in there. So now that we've done that, we're going to light our stove. We're going to take our honey and we're going to pour this all into our saucepan. Really thick, look at that, lovely. We're going to reduce our orange and our honey till it looks like this, thick honey orange glaze. So what we're going to do now, we need to take a glass bowl, pop that there. We're going to take our ham and pop that into our glass bowl. So we're going to take a sieve and we're going to get a glaze and we're going to pour our glaze all over our ham. So yeah guys, that's how you make a honey glazed cloved ham for your Christmas dinner. It's absolutely amazing and it just adds another meat dish to your turkey on Christmas Day. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release the next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, hope you're inspired, happy cooking, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.